Hey guys, Stow the Skater here, and yesterday I waved my Endura with the old-fashioned zip tie wave, also known as the poor man's wave, and I came up with something pretty cool that I'm really happy with, and I haven't seen on YouTube at all, and here it is. I did the 2 zip tie wave, but I put paracord on the zip ties. I got one OD green and one desert tan, and I think it looks pretty sweet with that gray handle. This is my Gen 4 Endura, full flat ground. And yeah, I always thought those zip ties looked pretty cheap, and that's why I was kind of hesitant to do it. But then yesterday I was playing around with some paracord and I thought, hey, this is about the exact width I need for my zip ties that I have. So I tried it out and it turned out pretty sweet. Alright, let me show you how I did it real quick. Basically you just take a piece of paracord and you gotta experiment with the length, but longer is better because if it's too short it'll look stupid, and if it's too long it'll get kind of pushed together. So you take your piece of paracord, you take out the inside strands, and then kind of fray the ends so that they're frayed like that, so when you light it it's going to melt and pull together, and if you don't fray it it's going to be a really tight fit on the zip tie. Burn myself. Alright, there you go. And you take your zip tie and just feed it through. And it doesn't look too bad. If you don't like the way it looks, if it's not tight enough, or you don't like the edges around it, you can just heat it up some. And it'll shrink a little, and you can make it look really neat. So obviously that you then just put it on your knife as usual, and then cut off the rest, and what you get is that. Works perfectly as a wave. It's really cool, and original, I think. So tell me what you think, and thanks for watching. See ya.